In this video, we'll read and listen to important English texts about topics like the environment, medicine, health, and more. These texts are designed to help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and understanding of real-world subjects in English.
Part 1. Saving our environment.
The environment is everything that surrounds us: the air we breathe, the water we drink, the land we live on, and the ecosystems that support all life on Earth. Over the past century, human activity has had a significant impact on the environment, leading to issues such as climate change, deforestation, pollution, and loss of biodiversity. One of the most pressing environmental challenges we face today is global warming, which is caused by the buildup of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat and lead to rising global temperatures, melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events. Pollution is another serious problem. Air pollution, mostly from cars and factories, affects human health and contributes to climate change. Water pollution from chemicals and waste harms aquatic life and makes water unsafe to drink. Soil pollution from industrial waste and pesticides reduces food quality and damages agriculture. Deforestation, the clearing of forests for agriculture, logging, or urban development, destroys the habitats of many species and reduces the Earth's ability to absorb carbon dioxide. This accelerates global warming and contributes to species extinction. To protect the environment, we must adopt more sustainable lifestyles. This includes reducing waste, recycling materials, conserving water and energy, using renewable energy sources like solar or wind, and protecting natural areas and wildlife. Governments also play a key role by creating laws and regulations to limit pollution and encourage green development. To protect the environment, we must adopt more sustainable lifestyles. This includes reducing waste, recycling materials, conserving water and energy, using renewable energy sources like solar or wind, and protecting natural areas and wildlife. Governments also play a key role by creating laws and regulations to limit pollution and encourage green development. Education and awareness are essential. When people understand the importance of the environment and the consequences of their actions, they are more likely to make eco-friendly choices. Saving the planet is not just the responsibility of scientists or leaders. It is a duty shared by all of us. Small actions like using reusable bags, planting trees, biking instead of driving, and reducing plastic use can make a big difference when done by millions of people. Together, we can protect our Earth for future generations and ensure a healthy, sustainable world for all living beings.
Part 2. Mental health matters.
Mental health is just as important as physical health. It affects how we think, feel, and act. Good mental health helps us handle stress, build strong relationships, and make good decisions. Many people experience mental health challenges at some point in their lives. This can include anxiety, depression, or stress. These problems are common, and they are nothing to be ashamed of. Talking to a trusted friend, a family member, or a mental health professional can really help. Taking care of your mental health is not difficult, but it needs attention. You can start by getting enough sleep, eating healthy food, exercising regularly, and taking breaks when you feel tired or overwhelmed. It's also important to spend time with people who support and care for you. Mental health should be talked about openly. The more we talk, the more people understand that it's okay to ask for help. Just like we go to the doctor when we're sick, we should take care of our minds when we're feeling low.
Part 4. What makes a good friend?
Eating healthy is one of the best things you can do for your body and mind. A healthy diet gives your body the nutrients it needs to work properly. It helps you feel more energetic, improves your mood, and protects you from many diseases. A healthy diet includes a variety of foods. Fruits and vegetables are full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Whole grains like brown rice and whole wheat bread give your body energy and help with digestion. Protein is also important, and it can come from sources like beans, nuts, fish, chicken, and eggs. Drinking enough water is essential too. It keeps your body hydrated and helps all your organs function well. On the other hand, eating too much fast food, sugar, and processed snacks can lead to health problems. These foods are often high in salt, fat, and empty calories. They can increase the risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and other serious conditions. Healthy eating is not about being perfect. It's okay to enjoy a piece of cake or some chips once in a while. What matters most is balance. Try to eat healthy most of the time and make small changes you can stick with. For example, you can start by eating more vegetables, choosing water instead of soda, or cooking more meals at home. Remember, good health starts with good food. When you eat well, you feel well, and you live better.
Part 4. What makes a good friend?
Friendship is one of the most important parts of our lives. A good friend can make you feel happy, supported, and understood. But what really makes someone a good friend? First, a good friend is someone you can trust. They keep your secrets and don't talk behind your back. You feel safe sharing your thoughts and feelings with them. Trust is the foundation of any strong friendship. Second, a good friend listens to you. They don't interrupt or judge. They care about what you say, even when you just want to talk about your problems. Sometimes just listening is more helpful than giving advice. Third, a good friend is kind and caring. They are there when you need help or when you're feeling sad. They show empathy. This means they try to understand how you feel and they support you with kind words or actions. Also, a good friend respects you. They accept you for who you are, even if you are different. They don't try to change you or make fun of your choices. Respect means treating each other with kindness and fairness. Another important quality is honesty. A good friend tells you the truth, even when it's hard. They don't lie to make you feel better. They speak honestly but gently. Good friends also have fun together. They laugh with you, share your interests, and enjoy spending time with you. Even small moments, like watching a movie or talking on the phone, can become special when shared with a true friend. Finally, a good friend forgives. Everyone makes mistakes. A real friend can say, "I'm sorry," and forgive when needed. This helps the friendship grow stronger over time. In the end, being a good friend is not about being perfect. It's about being real, caring, and always there for each other. If you want good friends, try to be a good friend yourself.
Part 5. Time management. Tips for a better life.
Time management is one of the most important skills for achieving a balanced and successful life. In our busy world, it can often feel like there's never enough time to get everything done. However, by using a few simple strategies, you can make the most of your time and improve both your personal and professional life. 1. Set clear goals. The first step to managing your time better is to know exactly what you want to achieve. Setting clear, specific goals helps you stay focused. Break down big goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. For example, if your goal is to get fit, start by setting a goal to exercise for 30 minutes a day. Achieving small tasks will keep you motivated. 2. Prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are more important than others. Use a priority system to decide which tasks need to be done first. One popular method is the Eisenhower matrix, which divides tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Focus on the tasks that are both urgent and important, and try to delegate or eliminate less critical ones. 3. Use a planner. A planner, whether digital or paper, can help you stay organized. Write down everything you need to do and set deadlines. Seeing your tasks on paper or on your phone makes them feel more real and less overwhelming. Check off each task as you complete it. This gives you a sense of accomplishment and keeps you on track. 5. Learn to say no. One of the most important time management tips is learning to say no. Many people struggle with taking on too many tasks because they're afraid to disappoint others. However, saying yes to everything can lead to stress and burnout. Be honest about your limits and say no when you feel overwhelmed or when a task doesn't align with your goals. 6. Take breaks. It's important to take regular breaks to refresh your mind and body. Studies show that working for long periods without rest can lead to fatigue and decreased productivity. Try the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break. This keeps your mind sharp and helps you stay focused. 7. Eliminate distractions. Distractions can waste a lot of time. Social media, phone calls, and emails can all interrupt your workflow. Identify the distractions that slow you down and find ways to minimize them. For example, put your phone on silent or use apps that block social media while you work. Create a quiet and organized workspace to help you concentrate better. 8. Delegate tasks. If possible, delegate tasks to others. You don't have to do everything yourself. Whether it's at work or at home, sharing responsibilities can free up your time for more important tasks. Trust others to help, and don't hesitate to ask for assistance when needed. 9. Review and reflect. At the end of each week, take a moment to review your progress. Did you achieve your goals? Were there any tasks that took longer than expected? Reflection helps you understand what worked and what didn't, so you can adjust your approach for the following week. Celebrate your successes and learn from your mistakes. 10. Practice self-care. Finally, remember that time management isn't just about work. It's also about taking care of yourself. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat healthy meals, and exercise regularly. When you take care of your physical and mental health, you'll have more energy and focus to manage your time effectively.